Hi, my friends. It's your girl, Hey Planner Girl. Hey, welcome back. I'm here to share with you the Happie Scrappie kit. And let me just grab this. Fell on the floor. You think I would re-edit it, but I'm not going to. It is the April 2019 Bee-you-tiful kit, and I have it in the mini Happy Planner. And I'm a little I don't know, picky, I guess, but I've received this envelope like 3 times, and I want to get some of the other envelopes that are super cute. But anyways, again, I'm gonna make a pocket or something out of it because I already have this envelope. If you're not too sure, the Happie Scrappie sends you envelopes that are always different, so yeah. But that's okay. I'm grateful. I am grateful, not ungrateful. Anyways, so again, please make sure you like and subscribe. Just a reminder, this is not paid for. This is me buying planner stuff because I love planner stuff. So let's get to the goodies. There's so many goodies in this planner sub kit. So it's a monthly kit, you guys. You can look at the links below in the box and you can check it out yourself. I am going to show you guys the papers first because they are absolutely stunning. So first of all, I love bears. How freaking adorable is that little bear? And it's in gold. Rainbow foil, I guess, is what Sam would say. Look how cute. Look at this little bear right here. Life is sweet and so are you. That's right. That's right. So are you. Whoever's watching this video, you're pretty sweet. And then here is the back, which is gorgeous. So you can use it as washi or you can make bookmarks. You do you, boo-boo. Okay? So you get 2 of those. So here's the front and here's the back. Then we get some hollow sparkle rainbow vellum. Check that out. So cute. So amazing. You know what? I think I'm gonna, just because of space, let me do it this way. Because this kit has so much stuff. Next is some more vellum. Oh my gosh, I want to freaking scream. Look how cute. Oh my goodness. I don't want to use anything. I just want to stare at it all day. And then here is some more scrapbook paper. My camera says it has like 15% left, so I'm not gonna rush, but I'm gonna share. And then here is the other side. So holy moly, you got a lot. Alright, let's talk about it. I got this white pen. And there it is. I'm going to just kind of unglare that. So it's called Plus Pen S. There's the brand. You can Google it. And it is a brush pen. So you can use it for your calligraphy, whichevs. Okay. Can we just this kit is so freaking cute. First of all, look at the packaging. Yes, I'm going to save you. And yes, this is a metal pin, just like the other metal pins that are on my cart, keeping me company as I plan. So thank you so much, Happie Scrappie. That is absolutely the bestest. Then we get a pocket patch. Like, who comes up with this stuff? Isn't this just like award-winning? Like, I love it. I freaking love it. I love the attitude on the sunflower. That's how I feel about spring, especially when my allergies come. And especially when teachers have to find out their teaching assignment. That's how we feel. Just tired, fed up. And here are some cute little die cuts. We have cute little bee, I think. Yeah, it's a bee carrying honey. Look at this angry bee. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, the quality is so different this time. Little, I guess, a panda? I think it's a panda bee. I love this attitude sunflower. This one has more of a smile, it seems. I love that. And then there's the little bear bee. I love him. And it says, stop and smell the flowers. Alright, if you say so. Next, you get a page of Bach Stickers, and again, it's in that hollow rainbow foil. Look at him! Look at him! I just love him so much. So I'm not using this guy. I love this little bee. I love this whole kit. It is hella perfect for June. For my June setup. And actually, let me show you the inserts before I get into the stickers. Sorry if that was loud on the camera. Oh, and they put these in here. Oh, yes. Thank you so much, Sam. Look at this little bumblebee bear. And look at the, oh my gosh. And I get two. So I get to hoard one and keep one in like my planner life, planner pages. Hoard and keep. Hoard and keep. I love keep both. So I got those. So I get the mini Happy Planner inserts. I don't get them punched, and that's fine because they're easy peasy to punch. You just need a Happy Planner punch. So you get a really thick cardstock for these two. And then here are the pages. So this month, they're always different. They're always different. So it really is up to you. I hope you can see that. I'm going to put it on this angle. And on the back is the same thing. So that's, oh, and then she changed the graphics here. There's a bumblebee. And on the back is the sunflower. So that's what they look like, you guys. Every month they're so different. And this is new. They are colored pages. A few sheets of colored pages for my, what am I talking about? They always include colored pages. I love the little hexagons and the honeycomb bee. So that's awesome. I love the pages. I love the pages. I love the paper. So I can't wait to put that in my mini chunky. Next, we have some checkboxes. So I use these all the time in my weekly. And then these are my favorite, the date cover-up stickers. So again, in my mini chunky planner, I'm using the Mom Life one, so I really like to cover up the days, so I use these. And they are in a yellow gold foil. So you get 2 pages of these. You get a whole month's worth, and then some half boxes like this. Then you get, these are page tabs, or you can cut them. How amazing. And then these are the date cover-up stickers, which are really, like, so Sam said she sized them down so they would fit in people's Hobonichis. They still work for me, but I do adore her graphics and stuff, so I kind of miss them being a little bit bigger. And then you get some extra graphics to play around with, stickers to play with. And then here are some, are they tabs? Oh, what are they? Oh no, they're just like rectangle. Are they yeah, they're just rectangle like cover-ups. And oh, this is to use with these clear stickers, and you can make them as your headers. That's right. And last but not least, really different. It's like matte, and I love this pastel colors with this really pretty baby, I mean, I know that's probably not the word, canary yellow, but like baby yellow. I love that. So yeah. Wow. Holy moly. Did I just go through the whole kit? I just went through the whole kit in less than 10 minutes. So this is the Happie Scrappie April kit. I'm in awe. I'm going to sit and play around and look at everything. Pretty sure I didn't miss out on anything. No. But I am so grateful. And what's nice is you get a little bit of freebies from her when she emails you. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching. Thanks for stopping by. I love it. I am in awe. I'm literally going to sit here and just gawk at everything and pick everything up and just look at it. Especially these stickers. Look at him. He's so cute. I love him. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, please leave a comment below. Tag me in some Instagram posts if you use the Happie Scrappie kit, the Bee-you-tiful kit, because I'd love to see how other people use the kit. Have a happy day and thanks for watching. Bye!